Crypto traders understand macro better than almost anyone in traditional finance. You know how the Fed policy affects risky assets. You know how earnings seasons move sentiment. And you know that when those stocks get hit, Bitcoin also gets hit as well. Crypto traders have always had a macro problem. You're watching the Fed, you're watching the earnings seasons, and you're watching oil prices and sector rotations, because all of that stuff moves Bitcoin. But until now, there was nothing you could actually do about it from inside any crypto platform. You couldn't act on macro knowledge. You'd have to jump on a completely separate platform, different account, different everything. That gap has now been filled. And today I want to break down exactly what that means and show you every way which you can use it to your advantage. So as always, guys, before I get into the video, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about crypto. And also, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. So thanks to Bitget for bringing this video to you. I'm going to go on a deep dive exactly what they've built through this video. But one line version from this video is basically that Bitget have added perpetual contracts on major US stocks directly on the platform which you already trade on. Same account, USDC settlement, 24/7 trading, and zero maker fees right now. I'll put the full campaign link in the description and also some relevant posts down below so you can go ahead and check them out. So let me explain to you right now why this is more interesting than it might sound on the surface. Crypto traders understand macro better than almost anyone in traditional finance at this point, pretty much in my opinion. So you know how the Fed policy affects risky assets. You know how earnings seasons move sentiment. You know what a rate hike cycle does to multiple growth stocks. And you know that when those stocks get hit, Bitcoin also gets hit as well. Those correlations are, well, they're very well documented, to be honest. And when risk off hits the broader market, crypto goes with it every single time. But here's the problem. If you wanted to act on any of that, hedge your crypto exposure using a short stock, or go long ahead of a Fed pivot, or play sector rotation from energy into tech, you have to open a completely separate brokerage account. Different KYC process, different platform, fiat conversion. I mean, just thinking about fiat makes me not comfortable. And traditional markets, they usually close at 4 p.m. EST as well. Miss a late night macro move, to be honest, it's tough luck. You can't react until the next morning. And by the time you've done all of that, the move has already started. So that's the friction. And for traders who are used to executing in seconds in crypto, it's a real problem having to wait for the markets to open. This exactly is why Bitget stock perps are built to remove that problem. So what are they? Honestly, it's pretty straightforward if you already know and already trade crypto. Perpetual contracts on crypto, you go long or short. There's no expiry date, leverage is available, and funding rate keeps the price anchored to the underlying. You know this product, it's well used in all of the crypto space. Stock perps are the exact same mechanism, but the underlying is Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Google, Meta, JP Morgan, the biggest names in the stock market. You settle in USDT. You can trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, up to 100x leverage if you wanted to. Cross margin is also available, so you can maximize capital efficiency across multiple positions at the same time on the same exchange which you trade crypto. And the whole thing lives inside your existing Bitget account. Like I just said, there's no separate broker, no additional KYC, no fiat conversion, no delays, no market closures. You're already there. You just have the access of the whole market, whatever it is, crypto or traditionals, at your fingertips. They've also added precious metals as well, so gold link contracts as well are available, also with zero maker fees. So it's not just US equities, it's a proper cross-asset macro toolkit sitting inside one crypto account. And one thing to be worth clear on, you're not actually buying the shares, no dividends, no shareholder rights. This is derivatives exposure on the price. For traders trying to capture directional movements, that's actually cleaner, and honestly, it's faster. It's cheaper, and it doesn't require a stockbroker account. For people trying to invest in companies long term, this probably isn't the product, honestly. But if you're trying to trade these different moves, it works exactly the way you'd want it to, and exactly the way you're used to with traditional crypto markets. So I want to now talk about the fees because they are genuinely worth talking about, and they're having a special offer right now on fees. So traditional brokers, even the cheap discounted ones, are charging usually 0.1 to 0.5 per trade. Before this promotion, Bitget's own rates were 0.02 maker and 0.06 taker. Already pretty much better than most markets out there, most fees out there on the market. But right now, as of February 10th, running through April 30th, 2026, maker fees on stock perps are zero. Taker fees are as low as 0.0065. That is not a typo. I'm not saying that wrong. 0.0065%. Basically nothing. Compare that to traditional broker charging 0.5%, and you're looking at fees that are roughly 75 times cheaper. For anyone actively trading or sizing up, that compounds into a massive difference in your P&L over the months or over time when they're having this promotion. The link to the full campaign and every detail you need is, of course, down below, guys. This is the part that actually matters now. I want to talk to you about the specific scenarios where having these kind of tools to trade can definitely change how you are in fact trading. So the first one I want to talk about is hedging. So Bitcoin is at key resistance. Let's imagine your portfolio is heavy crypto and you're not sure which way it breaks. You know from experience that when Bitcoin dumps hard, Nvidia and Tesla usually dump with it. The correlation between crypto and high beta tech is well established. With stock perps, you can open a short on Nvidia from inside your Bitget account and hedge against your crypto positions. If the broader market sells off and drags everything down together, that short offsets some of your losses. Previously, pulling this off at 2 a.m. on a Sunday was basically impossible. You'd need a stockbroker open and fiat already sitting in your account. Now you can do it in seconds. A second one which I want to talk about is the macro play. So the Fed signals a massive pivot, let's say. Historically, that is in fact bullish for crypto growth stocks. Nvidia, Google, Meta, the high multiple names that re-rate hard when there is in fact an expected rate fall. You can now go long on Nvidia on Bitget before the US markets even open. And when the markets open, your move plays out, you're already positioned. Most retailers miss the first leg of these moves because they're scrambling to log on to their broker in order to catch the market open, but the market's already moving. The third one is earnings season. This is huge because Nvidia reports after hours. The stock regularly moves 10 to 15% on earnings. Usually you have a view going in. Stock perps let you position before that and around that event. Trade the volatility and adjust quickly, all without fees eating into every single adjustment you make. Same platform, same account, no extra steps. And the fourth one, the final one, which I want to talk about is sector rotation. This is something that barely any crypto narrative trader has been able to play before, in my opinion. When macro shifts, say rising rates hurt tech but benefit financials, institutions rotate capital between different sectors, energy into tech, tech into finance, and now you can trade that rotation using the same USDT sitting on your Bitget account. Go long JP Morgan, short Meta, whatever the rotation calls for in that specific section. That's a strategy which is completely inaccessible to crypto traders until now. And there's an inverse correlation play, in my opinion. When crypto and stocks are moving in opposite directions, you can see both sides and use both sides, to your advantage. You can long Bitcoin, short a correlated stock which is diverging, or vice versa. The point is you now have the tools to build the exact kind of multi-leg strategies which you want, all from one account. So there's one final thing which I want to mention. I think it's genuinely useful for traders managing this kind of cross-asset strategy. Bitget built an AI assistant called Get Agent into the platform. So the idea is that you can type in plain English what you want to do, run a market scan, set up a trade based on RSI levels, check the fear and greed index, whatever you want to do. And Get Agent compiles the research and can execute end to end. What used to take anywhere from 3 to 25 minutes or even an hour for you to do manual analysis, it now gets compressed down significantly. For traders who are now managing positions across crypto, stocks, and metals on the same platform, having something that can cut your decision time like this is actually really, really useful in my opinion. It's honestly not replacing your analytics. Of course, you can use your own, but it's just removing the grunt work and these tiring things which you need to do in order to do that. So Worth giving some context here on where this all sits. Bitget basically launched what they're saying the UEX, Universal Exchange, back in September 2025. The concept is around one which gives you access to everything: crypto spot, crypto futures, tokenized stocks, precious metals, on-chain tokens via their on-chain product, which scans Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and Base every minute for new tokens, and the CFDs through MT5, which give you leverage trading on gold, for example, Forex, and global indices up to 500x leverage, which also are USDT settled. So it's running all under one security framework, around $700 million worth of user protection funds, continuous proof of reserves, 120 million plus users across 150 different countries. Stock perps and the gold contracts are part of the broader UEX architecture. So that is the full picture in this video. Perpetual contracts on Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Google, Meta, JP Morgan, and whatever else you want. Gold and precious metals, 24/7 USDT settlement, zero maker fees until April 30th. We still have well over a month and a half, up to 100x leverage, cross margin, no separate broker account, no extra KYC, an AI assistant which cuts down decision-making time, all existing inside your Bitget account. If you haven't already got a Bitget account, guys, if this video doesn't make you want to get one, then I don't know what you need to do, because there is a link down below if you do want to go ahead and sign up to Bitget. And if you're thinking macro when you trade, and you should be, this is the next logical step for trading these markets. As you know, there's a lot of stuff going on in the world right now. So having access to more things than just crypto, traditional markets, metals, is very, very vital to have in your pocket when you are trading during these times. So I really do appreciate the video, guys. As always, I am not a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.